Hey guys, it's Core Ross. Today we're doing an unboxing and overview of the GameSir G7 Pro controller. This comes in a variety of colors. Today we're checking out the metallic silver. Now this is compatible with different platforms. With a wired connection only, it'll work with your Xbox Series X and S or Xbox One. And then for wireless, it works with PC and Android. And then what you get inside the well-packaged box is, of course, the controller itself, a charging dock, a wireless receiver, and two alternate versions of the D-pad as they are interchangeable and hot swappable. And then underneath the controller's packaging, you're going to find the long USB Type-C to Type-A cable. And for this controller, it is a black cable. And you'll also find the documentation at the very bottom here, which includes 1 month of Xbox Ultimate. However, this is for new accounts only. Now let's take a look at the aesthetics. So our dock is silver with a GameSir logo on the front. You've got a hatch in the bottom, which of course you can plug the dongle into. So either plug it into the dock or your PC if you want to run it that way. Of course, with the Xbox, you'll need to use a wired connection. And then for stuff like your phone, you can connect via Bluetooth. And I think the silver and black aesthetics here look very nice. It's got almost a professional feel to it rather than maybe like your normal gamer RGB stuff, which of course GameSir does actually have as well. For instance, I recently checked out this Sugar Whirl controller, which has RGB all the way around the thumbsticks and such. Whereas this one here is very striking in its silver, but it's subtle in its RGB. I also like the contrast between the matte black and the silver as well. Now, there is one thing I want to note about this, and it's if you pick this color, it is actually different from the other models in the same range, as you can get this in the colors of Mech White, Shadow Ember, Amber Flame, and Plum Purple. But be noted, for all those other colors, it comes with kind of a grip texture on the front of the controller's hand grips, whereas with this one, it's completely flat and smooth. So if you want that really nice clean aesthetic, this is the one to go for. But if you hold a controller in a certain way, maybe you'll find the grips on the front to be very useful and perhaps going for a different color. And then the grips on the underside of the controller, all the black parts, are exactly the same throughout the entire range of this series. Now on this controller, you've also got your range of additional buttons that can be programmed to do anything you would like. So you've got the two on the underside, and then you've also got two additional ones just under the bumpers on the front. And then you have your swappable D-pads. So this just comes down to personal preference and what type of game you're actually playing. And I've actually been switching them out a couple of times. I will note that at first it seems like it's very hard to get the D-pad out, but do remember these have magnetic faceplates. So you can actually just simply pull them off and get easy access to the D-pads to then pull them off and swap them. And you can do this while the controller is on if you want. And then each of these D-pads is keyed, so you cannot put them in upside down. And it's super easy to swap these in and out. And of course, the additional thing here is the faceplate, which is magnetic, and this can be swapped out for any different color that you might want to purchase in the future if you want to jazz up your controller in different ways. And then something that's not heavily advertised with this controller is that it also has removable thumbsticks, as it doesn't come with additional thumbsticks in the box, but you can buy them separately if you want to have different versions, different lengths, and different textures. This is also really handy for cleaning, as of course thumbsticks can get grimy over time, so being able to completely detach them to go clean them is very handy. Now guys, at this point in the video, I'm going to shut up and let you listen to the actual buttons in this controller so you can hear what it sounds like. So there you go guys, that is how it sounds. It does have a clickiness and quite a satisfying one to my ear. However, it's not nearly as loud clicky as some controllers have become over the years. And I think it's certainly, to me, a satisfying click and definitely not going to distract you during gameplay. And then one last thing we'll go over is, of course, this is customizable with the GameSir software, which is called Nexus. And I do recommend jumping into here. So of course, this can be run on a PC. And you can go ahead and do firmware updates. The firmware updates also are available for the receiver and the controller. And of course, you can also customize your controller in here. And of course, this controller doesn't really have much in the way of RGB to customize, as it only has a ring around the actual X. And of course, the dock lights up, which you can customize a little bit in the software. And then you've got an absolute array of different things you can customize. I always jump in and mess around with the dead zones for the sticks to get the best accuracy I can, but you have an absolute crazy amount of customization you can do here. Along with also choosing what polling rate you want your controller to be using. It goes all the way up to 1000 Hertz. And that brings us to the conclusion for today's video, and simply this is an absolutely excellent controller. I've been using it for a week. I've been playing Rainbow Six Siege's new season on test server, and the accuracy of the sticks has been absolutely brilliant. And the only thing I would love to see changed on this is an aesthetics one, as I would love to see the X, Y, A, B buttons actually be black with silver text. And maybe even for all the other buttons too, plus the D-pad, I would love that black and silver contrast. But that is it. That's a minor complaint over it. This is an absolutely gorgeous controller and works really, really well. So anyway guys, that is the GameSir G7 Pro Tri-Mode Xbox wired and PC wireless controller. You'll find a link in the description below if you want to go try it out.